transparent solar cells, solar windows. So solar power doesn't have to just be in solar farms and solar roofs. They're developing quite a bit of research and commercialization of transparent solar or solar windows. I think this is amazing because as this becomes widespread, imagine just all the glass that exists in the world and transforming that into solar. So solar is not only taking over substantial gains on Earth, but as we colonize Mars and other places, and even on the way to Mars and other worlds, solar is going to be big. Because solar is like they say on Mars, it's either going to be solar or nuclear. So as we build a Mars colony, investing in solar, if that's the way we decide to go as a species, and throughout the galaxy, it could be, there's a lot of future energy sources. Like I watch different videos on different energy sources, so there's a lot of competition. But solar is something that in our solar system, obviously the closer to the sun you get, the more powerful it is. We're sending probes to the sun now. And I think just the idea of harnessing the sun in more efficient ways. They say that 1 hour of sunlight, even on Earth, and Earth is, I think, 93 million miles, if I'm correct, from the sun. Even at that distance, harnessing 1 hour of sunlight effectively could power all of Earth's current energy needs for a full year. So if you move closer to the sun, or if you find more efficient ways to harness it, even at this distance, then the energy capabilities. Imagine a world where we're energy surplus, where we have much more energy than what we need, and we can ship it off to other places. Imagine if we had so much energy on Earth that we could just ship it to Mars, or we could ship it wherever else we need it. And I think the idea of solar windows and transparent solar is an exciting component of this future going forward, because windows are everywhere, glass is everywhere, transparent capabilities. So it's kind of like an extension of the idea that the whole world is becoming a screen. They call it everywhere computing, or there's other names for it. I think that you could touch your fridge and it could be a screen, but you could probably touch your windows, and they could be energy sources, or you could touch everything. Eventually, in the future, to the IoT, Internet of Things, is going to be connected, and energy is going to be distributed through our system. It's almost going to be like another life form. If you think of Neuralink and us being connected as humans to the Internet, our brains actually directly connected. Also our cars are going to be connected in networks, and our appliances, and everything's going to be somehow communicating and transferring with each other. Data is the new oil, energy. So all of this, when you think through some of the ramifications of the new economy and the new sources of data and energy, it's kind of mind blowing.